Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. When time and food budgets are low and you still want to eat a luxurious and healthy homemade meal, marinated white beans on olive oil toast is a tasty solution. It is a quick, easy, and incredibly flavorful meal or appetizer that is part of the Mediterranean diet. The first tip, when using canned beans, rinse well and drain. The simple act of rinsing your beans can dramatically lower sodium levels. One of the easiest ways to really brighten up a recipe when using citrus is to use the zest also. We make a ton of vinaigrettes in our house and shown are a few of the products that streamline the process. I absolutely adore my microplane for zesting and the garlic press. The beauty of this recipe is that you can use either fresh or dried herbs. I used fresh rosemary and oregano, but don't feel limited to just those two herbs. Within the recipe post, I share fun herb variations and tasty add-in ingredients. Letting the beans marinate for 30 minutes in the refrigerator allows all the flavors to marry with one another. However, I often eat the beans immediately. One of the most delicious ways to enjoy this recipe is on top of olive oil toast. Don't let the amount of olive oil scare you though, because this toast is amazingly delicious. To make the toast, add in about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch of extra virgin olive oil to the bottom of a frying pan and place over medium heat. Cook the bread on both sides until golden brown and toasty. Once the bread is done, top with marinated beans and freshly grated Parmesan. This recipe is so delicious that I have seen people who are not thrilled with beans all of a sudden crave them made like this. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.